The Citroën C4 Picasso II, produced from 2013 to 2018, features electrically operated side mirrors that can fold inward and outward using a dedicated switch. This function is helpful for parking in tight spaces and protecting the mirrors from damage. This video will demonstrate how to operate the mirror fold switch. The mirror fold switch is typically located on the driver's side door panel near the mirror adjustment controls. Look for a button marked with inward-outward arrows or a mirror icon. Its placement ensures easy access for the driver. To fold the side mirrors, first ensure the car ignition is on or in accessory mode. Then, press and hold the mirror fold switch briefly for about 1 to 2 seconds. Both side mirrors will fold inward simultaneously, activated by an electric actuator when you press the switch. To unfold the mirrors, press and hold the same mirror fold switch again for 1 to 2 seconds. The mirrors will unfold outward to their normal driving position. Ensure the area is clear before unfolding. Always operate the mirror fold function when the vehicle is stationary. This prevents distractions while driving and avoids potential damage to the mirrors or surrounding objects. Never force the mirrors manually. Always use the switch. When troubleshooting mirror fold issues, first check the vehicle's electrical system for any obvious faults. A frequent problem is water ingress damaging the body control module, which manages the mirror functions. To reset the BCM, disconnect the battery for 5 minutes, then reconnect it. This can clear temporary faults. If issues continue, see a mechanic. Never force the mirrors manually to avoid damage. To keep the mirror fold mechanism working properly, regularly lubricate the mirror hinges. This simple maintenance prevents the mirrors from jamming during folding operations. Include electrical checks during your routine vehicle services. This helps identify potential wiring issues before they cause the switches to become non-responsive. These maintenance steps ensure the mirror fold system remains reliable and extends the longevity of your Citroën C4 Picasso II's mirrors. While the C4 Picasso II uses a simple switch for folding mirrors, newer vehicles integrate power folding mirrors with smart technology like auto-folding via key fob or proximity sensors. This basic system contrasts with modern smart features that make folding automatic and convenient. Looking ahead, future trends suggest traditional mirrors might be replaced by digital camera systems that improve visibility and reduce maintenance. These digital systems offer better views and require less upkeep compared to physical mirrors. The technology in the Picasso II reflects the solid electromechanical principles of its time.